hambai maya phainai chini autonomous district council TTRC areas ni chini council chairman chini jogoti sano hambaya phainai chini Tripura joni cabinet minister chini Onimes Deparma sano hambaya phainai jot honorable executive member of TTRC honorable MLAs of Tripura legislative assemblies jot chini YTF ni leaders TWF ni leaders jot dignitaries phainai rong kha kahamya phayo বিশেষ কে আংখ্লুমুয়া ফাইয়ে খা কাহামায়া ফাইনাই তিনি ফুয়াইনি পাঁচ তানসি বাচায়ে মাইচু চুয়ে গাড়িও দায়ে চায়ে তিন দফানি বাও পান্দাও ফাইনে রনো যত তাকফু পুরনা আংখ্লুমুয়া ফাইयो হামবাই মায়া ফাইনাই তিনি মো পান্দানো for the third time ত্রিপুরানি ইতিহাস ও ত্রিপুরা সারক থমলাই মো 12 তারিখ মার্চ 2022 ওয়াইসা 12 তারিখ নভেম্বর 2022 ওয়াইহা 27 November 2025 Bohatin Itihas gathering unitedly all tini notice ni bro chono solidarity from paimoni ba pandawo tinin bo mass gathering ba rally hwa kya itihas yo thang to muta kuram kuro tini boro jaga chung sanma kok makhe bose tini chung phathani phaine narwai rong thio chung kok thalai nai ar tini bo event host ti maharaj sin thio chung kok thalai nai awa panda ta khuram khro chung sanma pandale bono ja chung tha tolene nang nai tha nim sio chung yo mari mai nai ar thanai 5 bosor chung struggle kheye thanai 5 bosor chung thangani chinti prasaran khorang toi saye central government je babe chung no thunga central government has denied central government has refused to listen to our voice the cries of the prasa aba panda chung tawa notice ni bro all the 8 sisters including Sikkim, all the 8 sisters. Tawa chin bayi bacai to ti prasani bau pandawo. Amo pandang masanai ti prasani yok mari phen pandawo. Bisi balu siata kuram kro. Chini bayi ama boisa unge to mono. Bis kangwa chung purnima tu beri phainai. Chini Maharaja ni leader sinim sing toy. Ta kuram kro chung sio. Ta kuram kro chung sio. India independent Chini Bharat Bosor independent on Pandawo. The Northeast leaders and the princely independent state of Tripura people had contributed so much for the independence of our country. We Northeast people, we always proudly introduce ourselves that we are the proud citizen of our country. Once upon a time, our Tripura state was known for the extremism. We were known for the extremism. But the government of India never tried to know why the people of Tripura had joined the extremists. Government of India never tried to know why these young boys and girls leaving their families behind had fled to the jungles. Tinio, we have enough of contribution for the independence of our country. But in return, what do we get in return? After the merger agreement with the government of India, with full faith and hope that our government of India will take care of our rights, our protection. But what we have seen in return, government of India has never paid attention to our cry. Therefore, forcibly be the people of Tiprasa. We are bound to form the extremists. We are bound to form several times the organization, the Anchalik Party, the regional party, to fight for our rights against the government of India, against the concept of the government of India. The Constitution of India is being framed, irrespective of all colors, all religion. We are equal. But though the Constitution says that we are equal in our country, irrespective of all tribes, but in turn, in practical, we have never seen, we have never felt, we always felt that we are divided, we are ignored. Therefore, today we are bound to form, we are bound to raise our voice. Let the government of India think, respond to our cry. If they really consider that we, the Tiprasas, are their citizens, it is their responsibility to take care of its own citizen. Bono ang sanim chuo ta kuram kro, bangma kau sanim matungo. Tini time sorry ba panda ang saya. If I ever get opportunity ang sanay ay nim khani kau tini ang sakho yako ang train next time sanay ta kuram kro. Ang ba pandawa tini notice joto leaders, though they are not tao present ni apono. Ang brono hambay Mario, Cini tanghau paye cuno support ke payment pandawa. Ami ti prasaro cungwan anai kroi, Maharashtra nai koloma bai, cung daidi no yok mari maye tungwo, joto cung tangha tongna, joto takuram kurau, ti prasar long live, Maharashtra long live, daidi no cung teko main so khak sanga joto no.
Belai ke hambai, sini buku Doli Riang, EM, TTADC, Farisung tabuk, tai buskang ni program tangan ni sekang, sound kisah kaham ke check hai. Let's check the sound. Ayang ngotong ni korang dah kena. Yang ni borok korang kaham ke dah kena sound. Mobile ke dah kena. Korang kisah kelima hai ke di tu, kelima hai ke del ke. Tabuk sound thik deng ke? Udeng ke? Korang dah kena ke? Tansani korang ke dah kena ke? Yang oleh? Yang ke dah kena ke? Cek. Tai buk keliri mangku. Dah komol. Neng lagi kisah sinai bak keliri kanai di. Bubagra final ni sekang. Sengop filo sound by keliri tona ni nang nai. Halo. Kada kenaka?
Cini joto TWF, TISF ni joto ani khazani. Bukuk song, kebang ma jagat tuima yang i tongka. Norok no, tirok bak thani help klainya ni bagai. Kabai kubai kobok jagu. Tui maya rok ngai tongka, cini philo tongnai rok no, tui telangai kharnani bagai, no kobok jagu. Te phatara gura guri ngai tongnai, ani khazani rangtani ti prasa takuk te bukuk, tini ni je program no, grand success khlainya ni je Agartala phai tongnai rok, no mat bisingo habai, cini bubagra phainani sekang, joto no mat bisingo habai, jeng ekdom Thumcha khlai phunuk nani bagai no bahai no khabai khukbai kobok jangu hambai
Tai kaisa saklai mung sini tini ni guest Meghalaya ni Chief Minister Bobu Airport Land khaika tai sini Alka State ni guest rok bo o jaga sopai tongka borong no jur kaya apa khorob de yaba khorob de
Bubagraki Hemu Chandra Singh ji ki Mulumaki Kon ji ki RK Megon ji ki.
May I now request
Ajay Award ji ki
Ajay Edward JK, Manlomo Kikon JK, Hemchandra Singh JK, Manlomo Kikon JK.
May I now request Sri Ajay Edward sir, the founder and president, Indian Gurkha Janashakti Front, Gurkhaland Darjeeling, to please come on the stage. Sini volunteer rok, bono stage of payai, risabai, kai bono felicitation kaina ni bagai, norong no koizau. And I also take this privilege to request Sri R.K. Megan sir, senior leader Manipur, who sacrificed all his life fighting for the people of Tripura, to please come on the stage. And I request the volunteers to kindly come and felicitate them. May I also take this opportunity to request Sri Hemochandra Singh sir, the former Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, former Minister, Government of Manipur, and 5-time MLA. Let's give him a big round of applause. Yapa Kolobde!
Yapa
Volunteers,
Kotor khai khorab lai nai.
may I request the former YTF President